again. We're going to make pizza bianco dough. I have 1 cup of spelt flour. I have 2 cups of a higher gluten flour or a baking flour. And this is the pre-ferment I'm going to put in there. This is actually 2 cups of the pre-ferment, okay? It's going to add a lot of character to this dough. And I also have about 1.5 cups of water. Now, notice I don't put all the water in there right now. I'm trying to mix this up. This is going to be very... We're in service right now, so I'm trying to get this done with all these gosh darn pizza people around. So this is actually coming together nicely. My hand gripping it. Like this. I'm going to mix this, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salt in there. Very simple recipe. Okay? Usually mix it till it gets a really nice consistency. And I'm going to let it rest. I'm going to let this rest for about 3 hours. Okay? So rest, good night, my sweet. We'll see you in 3 hours. Hey, I'm back again. It's been 3 hours and this mix is sitting by the pizza oven. I'm going to scrape it out. Okay, now this is all natural yeast. And you can see it's got a nice, really nice gluten strands are coming out. Okay? Now I'm working this on the bench here. I'm not going to, a lot of times they'll tell you to punch dough down. Anyone who tells you to punch dough down, you need to punch in the face, as far as I'm concerned. They love to keep the gases in there. The carbon dioxide. Okay. This is really nice. This is coming around. And all I'm going to do is put it into another ball. I want to weigh it here because I want about 30 ounces. No. Let's see, what did we say? 30 ounces. Bingo! 30 ounces right there. Okay? Got the 30 ounces. Back in there. Now I'm going to ball it up just like a dough ball. Okay? And then I'm going to put it on a tray. And this I will hold in a cold refrigerator for approximately 16 hours. Okay? And we'll talk to you then. Thank you very much. Hi, this is John, and we have our pizza bianca. It's at about 16 hours since I balled it up. Okay? About 13 of those hours it was resting in my refrigerator. I'm going to take it off the tray now. This is beautiful. And this is all with beautiful local spelt and using natural yeast that I got from grapes a couple years back. Okay, as you can see, I stretch it a little bit here. It's bouncing back. It's called bounce back. Yeah. And I will try and pull it, okay? And I'm going to come back to this after a while, after about 12 more minutes or so, and I'm going to coax it back again. And keep doing that. There's a little air bubble under there, so if you ever get air bubbles, just bring up the side, just bring it back down again. What I don't want to do is mess up any of the smaller bubbles in there, okay? So we'll come back in just a sec. What I'm doing today, actually, I got done making some Indian naan. So I was just gonna put some regular olive oil on there, but you know what? Let's make it some fun. Let's make some fun out of this thing here. I've got cilantro, peppers, real spicy ones. I have jalapenos and some red anchos. And I'm gonna spread the oil on here. And this is actually just canola oil with 25% extra virgin olive oil on it. Okay? This is going to be good, fun. And I'm going to spread this out, and then I'm going to dimple it with my fingers. Okay? Just like they do in Rome. Now in Rome this would be about 6 feet wide. little bit more cilantro there. Love that cilantro. I'm going to dipple it with my fingers, okay? While stretching it a little bit more, okay? Going big time. Now you could use any sort of herbs. You could use basil, rosemary, sage, thyme. This is just a fun thing to do to flavor the bread. The pizza bianca, okay? And I'm going to put a little sea salt on top. Okay. Now, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in the oven with it. And we'll see you in a few. Alright, here we go. This is a very nice pizza bianca. Look, it's still bubbling. Really, really nice. Beautiful. Roman pizza bianco by way of India, I guess. That's what we'd say. Let me get a knife. Be right back. Beautiful little crumb there. Nice bottom. Some really luscious spices on here. Mmm. That's good. Nice and spicy, right out of the oven. Pizza bianco with cilantro, some red anchos, jalapenos, garlic. Yum.